In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Vids to a different drive in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing your projects, decluttering your digital workspace, or simply need to transfer files for better accessibility, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring a smooth transition for your videos from one Google Drive to another. Let's dive in. First things first, access Google Vids. You might wonder, what exactly is Google Vids? It's part of Google Workspace, an integrated suite of secure cloud-native collaboration and productivity apps powered by Google AI. To get started, navigate to the Google Vids website. Here you'll find a comprehensive video management platform that allows individuals and teams to easily create, manage, and share high-quality videos. Now that you're on the site, it's time to sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button, which is your gateway to access all the features offered by Google Vids. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the video content you intend to move. This step is crucial because the videos you want to transfer are tied to a specific Google account, ensuring they are stored and managed under the right user profile. After successfully logging in, it's time to locate the video you wish to move. Depending on how you've structured your files or folders, you might need to navigate through them to find the desired video. Once you've found it, the next step is crucial. Go to the File menu located at the top of your screen. This menu is the starting point for numerous actions you can perform on your video, including renaming, sharing, or even downloading it. But for our purpose today, we'll focus on relocating the video to a different drive. Inside the File menu, look for an option labeled Move. By clicking on Move, you open the door to reorganize your digital workspace. It's like packing up a physical file from one folder and placing it into another only digitally. Now it's time to decide on the video's new home. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose your current location and where you'd like to move your video. This step is akin to navigating through your computer's folders, but instead you're doing it within Google's cloud storage. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your destination folder or drive. This might be a shared drive if you're collaborating with a team, or a personal drive for private projects. Choosing the right location ensures that your video is accessible to the right people and is organized according to your preferences. After selecting the new desired location for your video, you're almost at the finish line. All that's left to do is confirm your action. Look for another Move button, this time within the dialog box. Clicking this button will finalize the process, securely transferring your video to its new location. What happens next? Your video will now reside in the new location you selected. It's important to verify the move was successful. Navigate to the new folder or drive you chose and confirm that the video is present and accessible. This check ensures that your video is not only in the right place, but also that there were no hiccups during the transfer process. Moving Google. Vids files can streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and keep your digital workspace tidy. Remember, organization is key in the digital world just as it is in the physical one. By following these steps, you've successfully moved your video within Google's ecosystem, ensuring that it's stored exactly where you need it. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Periodically review and organize your Google Drive and Google Vids to maintain a clutter-free workspace. Also, make use of the various features offered by Google Workspace to enhance your productivity and collaboration. That's a wrap on moving Google Vids to a different drive. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your digital files. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to navigate the digital space effortlessly.